Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Tuesday. It's February 28th, 2012, and we're going to be looking today at American Eagle Outfitters, ticker symbols AEO. This is a really nice trade here. It looks like we're going to be a buyer at 14.65 or lower if at all possible. Setting the stop off of this low at 13.97, so the stop will be 1 cent below that at 13.96. That's a generous stop. You don't have to actually draw a stop that way. I've done it this way just to be on the safe side, but another way of doing it would be simply to draw a stop off of this low here. You could do it off of this one if you wanted to, but that's a little bit more risky. You could have a pullback temporarily and then advance again. So the tighter you keep the stop, the more risk there is of being stopped out, obviously. My target would be a test of this high at 15.87. Easy move to fill this gap here. You've had a close here, and then the following session you opened down here and traded in this range. So you've got this huge gap here that's actually been filling slowly and surely for the past couple of months now. So I'm looking at that as being an easy trade to this point, but I would expect a test at 15.87, assuming the market continues in its current direction. So that's my trade for the day that I'm showing. And if you agree with today's analysis, be sure to give the video a thumb up. Also, check out our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com. It's right there. It's 100% free. All we ask you to return, please refer a friend. You guys will notice that if you've been watching what I've been talking about the markets, I think yesterday we did the Russell 2000 small cap index, and we're talking about that base formation that's going on. You've got basically the same thing here. You've got this high point here, and you can just draw yourself a little resistance line on there. Actually, I drew it a little bit too high. And then you get the low points as well. You can just draw that out there. You can see it's sloppy in this case, but you're just within this channel, and now you're making a serious move higher. Note the close of this candlestick is higher than any of the previous within this range. So this looks like a breakout to me. That's why I'm looking at it now. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.